Welcome back to the Kilted Texan, and today we're going to be doing a review of the TX5258, the Eachine TX5258 video transmitter, and I got it from Banggood. And well, I tell you what, I'll go ahead and I'll give you a spoiler right off the bat. Shotgun wedding or no, you may want to go ahead and brave the buckshot on this one and give this one a hard pass. If you notice, I got the little inset there, and you see the video's got some horizontal lines all over it, and it's pretty rough. I took another video transmitter off of here, and you know, I didn't even change the settings, didn't change the frequency or nothing, and the other video transmitter looked pretty good. I got some video from the previous one. It was like an EWRF something or other video transmitter, but here's what it used to be on the video transmitter that I had right before it, and you see there's no horizontal lines or nothing, and it looks pretty good. So I gotta say, I'm not too impressed with this TX5258. So I mean, everything else is fine. Betaflight, you know, the control works fine. You can change the channel, you can change the power output and all that good stuff, but everything else exactly the same. That video was really hard to fly through with all those horizontal lines. I mean, maybe if I put a huge honking capacitor or maybe a series of capacitors on there, it might be fine. But I tell you what, if I pull off one and it looks as clean as this, and I put one on and it looks bad like the other, you know, you just, like I said, brave the buckshot and get out while you can, because it's just not worth it. So, anyway, again, this is what it looked like with the TX20, the 5258 transmitter. So yeah, just let her go. You don't need to deal with it. I'm gonna have to say it's a hard pass. Everything else is really easy to hook up and everything else, but that video's got to go.